Hello to everyone and thank you for using Serpstat. My name is Yulia. In this video, I will tell you about the April updates of Serpstat. We added a few more links to landing pages with our tools or integrations in the side menu in the Tools section, namely Serpstat in Google Sheets, Serpstat in Google Data Studio, and Serpstat for R. The display of report's readiness after its export has changed. Previously, the icon about the readiness of the generated report was displayed to the left of the profile photo. Now, when the report is ready, the icon will be displayed above the profile photo, and in order to proceed with the download, you will need to click on the profile photo and select the latest report section in the drop-down menu. Generated reports can be downloaded here. Now, when you open any report without the specified domain or keyword, the last few queries will now be displayed under the search bar to quickly navigate to the report with data. Also, we added a method for exporting search suggestions and questions in API v4 of Search Analytics. It is called Suggestions Export. This method allows you to get data on search queries and suggestions. If you put false in the with questions field, the list of keywords will not contain interrogative forms. If with questions is true, a list of search questions will be displayed. Thank you for your attention.